Hi guys, welcome to Authentic Haitian Creole. In today's lesson, we are going to study the verb say. So if you pay close attention to the explanations at the end of this lesson, you will be able to build sentences with the verb say, to know where to use ye instead of say, to know where to omit the verb say, and finally, you will be able to make questions with the verb say. Throughout the lesson, I will use a comparison method between English and Haitian Creole so that you can understand much better. Let's get started. Say is a very important verb in Haitian Creole. If you don't master it, you will have problems understanding native speakers. The best possible equivalent for this verb in English is the verb to be. However, they sometimes have different use and sometimes the same use. That's where things are complicated. Let's see how to make sentences with the verb say. Affirmative sentences. To make an affirmative sentences with the verb say, you use the syntax subject plus say plus noun. Subject plus say plus noun. Example, moi c'est Haïtien. Moi c'est Haïtien. I am Haitian. Ça c'est yon maï. This is a corn. Ça c'est yon maï. So, whenever you'd like to say it's always say. Example, it's me, c'est moi. It's me, c'est moi. Now let's see where to use ye instead of say. Ye is a form of say. It's generally used to form questions and it's always at the end of the sentence. Example, qui est ou ye? Who are you? Qui est ou ye? Qui sa liye? What is it? Qui sa liye? Est-ce que ou kon ki kote liye? Est-ce que ou kon ki kote liye? Do you know where it is? Est-ce que ou kon ki kote liye? Ki jou jodi a ye? What day is it today? Ki jou jodi a ye? Ki le liye? Ki le liye? What time is it? Mta reme konen si ou we sa liye. This is an indirect question. Mta reme konen si ou we sa liye. I'd like to know if you see what it is. Ki mwa nou ye? Ki mwa nou ye? In which month are we? Exceptions, we say, eske se ou? Eske se ou? Is that you? Is that you? Eske se ou? Se pou ou? Is it for you? Se pou ou? Now let's study where to omit the verb say, but you still have the verb to be in these instances. Omission of the verb say. Number 1. The verb say is omitted in negative sentences. Example, li pa Haïtien. He is not Haitian. Li pa Haïtien. Sa pa yon mayi. This is not a corn. Sa pa yon mayi. This is not a corn. Mwen pa American. I am not American. Mwen pa American. It's just like you say, I not American. Number 2, after time markers like te, ap, pral, ta, a. But we must always use the form ye after them in question. Example, we say, li pral Haïtien. He will be Haitian. Li pral Haïtien. Ou pral malade. You will be sick. You will be sick. Ou pral malade. You will be sick. Ou ta malade si ou te ale. You would be sick if you went. Ou ta malade si ou te ale. So as you can probably see, we don't say ou ta se malade. You would be sick. Ou ta se malade, just like you say in English, we say ou ta malade si ou te ale. You would be sick if you went. But we must always use the form ye after them in question. Example, ki sa li pral ye? What will it be? Ki sa li pral ye? What will it be? Ki es ou te ye? Who were you? Who were you? Ki es ou te ye? Number 3, before the adjectives and prepositions. Example, mwen fatigué. You say, I am tired. Mwen fatigué. In Haitian Creole, we say, I tired. I tired. Mwen fatigué. Okay? Ou te fatigué. You were tired. Ou te fatigué. You were tired. Yo pa te malade. They were not sick. They were not sick. Ou nan kay la. You are in the house. In Haitian Creole, it's literally You in the house. Ou nan kay la. Ou nan kay la. You are in the house. Li sou kaban la. Li sou kaban la. She, he, or it is on the bed. Number 3, when telling time. Example, ki lè liye la? What time is it? Ki lè liye la? What time is it? Li 5 heures nan matin. Li 5 heures nan matin. It's 5 o'clock a.m. Li midi. It's noon. It's noon. We don't say it is noon. We don't say li c'est midi. We just say it's noon. It, literally, it noon. Now, let's see where the verb to be is used in English, but we use different syntaxes. Number 1, to talk about ongoing actions. In English, the verb to be is used to talk about progressive actions, but we use the time marker apt to relate the same idea. Example, I am learning Haitian Creole. Mwen ap etidye Kreyòl Ayisyen. Mwen ap etidye Kreyòl Ayisyen. I was eating when you called. Mwen te ap manje lò te rele ya. Mwen te ap manje lò te rele ya. Number 2, passive voice. The verb to be is used to build passive voice in English, but we don't use the verb say to form it. Example, the car was broken. Machine nan te krasé. Machine nan te krasé. The food is being cooked. Manje ya ap cuit. Manje ya ap cuit. Number 3, different forms for the verb to be. In English, you have different forms for the verb to be like are, am, is, been, was, were, have been, has been. But in Haitian Creole, it's either say, ye, or nothing. Example, I've been here since last month. M'la depi mwa pase ya. M'la depi mwa pase ya. Okay guys, that was it. I hope you learned something new in this lesson. Please don't forget to share it with your friends and leave a comment in which you make a sentence with the verb say. Bye!